The hue of this S580 immediately catches the eye. It is called as Kalahari Gold, and is manufactured by Mercedes-Benz. This color has a metallic finish from the factory, however this S-Class has a satin finish, leading us to suspect the car was wrapped in a clear film. Whatever the case, there's no denying that the paint is eye-catching and perfectly complements an uber-luxurious vehicle like the S-Class. Mansory then made several changes to the car's front fascia. Carbon fiber air intake shrouds and a redesigned splitter with aerodynamic flics on the outside edges are among the changes. It has also added a new black finished grille. The carbon fiber accents on the S-Class extend down both sides, with aggressive features on the front quarter panels and a pair of side skirt extensions. Carbon fiber wing mirror caps and gloss black 22-inch wheels have also been installed. The rear of the Mercedes has also been modified, but not in a flashy manner. The sole modifications were a new carbon fiber lip spoiler, a carbon fiber diffuser, new tailpipes, and Mansory emblems.